condos today, and that's the world famous channel right across here. The London Bridge right behind the Heat Hotel, and this is a gate. You walk right out to the water, but today I'm going to show you a condo that's for sale in here in Isleside on the island in Lake Havasu City. And if you don't know me by now, this is again Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake. Bobby and Julie Lewis, we've been top producers here in Lake Havasu City for over 20 years, sold well over 1,000 homes in that time frame. And we're hoping we can help the seller with this condo, number 44 here in Isleside. And the grounds are amazing. This is the center of the community. Looks like they just overseeded for winter, so we have to do different grass in the winter and the summer here in Arizona. But you'll see, look at this beautiful tennis courts for the community. The community is gated as well. And the condo we actually have listed for sale right now is on the outside, so it looks out to the channel. It's inside the gates, but the back looks out towards the channel. These condos in here look towards the interior. Some people prefer the interior, some people prefer the exterior. I'd like the exterior because I'd be able to watch my boat during the day when I pull it up, and that would give me comfort. Also, look at this. Pool area, clubhouse area with bathrooms. I really think you owe it to yourself. If you're looking for a condo or something close to the water in Havasu, this is a good one. It's Isleside number 44. So here, watch my tour next and give Julie and me a call, or Julie Pouget on our team. Got 2 Julies now on the Lewis team. It's kind of crazy. We'd love to show you this condo. And just a quick peek here. Look at the grounds. It's beautiful. As you can see here, walking through the grounds, cement drives, beautiful landscaping, and just an incredible HOA here. In that general direction, the nautical would be right around the corner there. You could literally take a golf cart over there. And let's go take a look in at Isleside 44. You have a front courtyard area, lots of shade for when it's hot. Previously, and I think in my listing appointment, in the listing picture, we have some photos here where you can dress this up and make it a really nice sitting area. And inside the garage, a 2-car garage with an opener, insulated door. You keep your car, a smaller boat, or they used to keep their Sea-Doos in here, and laundry. And then let's go look inside. Now you may have seen, we've had this condo listed before. It was actually more than $100,000 higher when we had this listed in the past, in the beginning. And so now you take advantage of pricing that's come down, and you can get a property that's literally on the channel in Lake Havasu for a very affordable price. Because as my mom always told me growing up, and I heard a million times from others, location, location, location. Let me see if I have this open here for you. I'm gonna step out here, and I see paddle boarders paddling right in front of my eyes. So you sit out here, have your morning coffee. I see 1, 2, I don't know if you're gonna pick it up in the video, at least 4 paddle boarders out there. During the day, you could pull your boat up there and then just walk up that path we just came up. And then have your lunch here. There's entry to both the master bedroom and then the living room area. I can actually see all the way out to the lake here. And if I owned this condo, I might find an elf. I might get in trouble for saying this, but there might be a few bushes down there that would get a little more clean up in the middle of the night, if you know what I'm talking about, to be able to see the water even a little better. Well, here, this good sized living room, fireplace, really high cathedral ceilings. This condo is ripe for a remodel, although definitely live in it in the condition it's in. Some of these condos have sold for quite a bit more that have been updated. So there is sweat equity potential. Back in the kitchen here, does have a trash compactor spot, trash compactor, stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. It wouldn't take that much. Change out those appliances and doll it up a bit. And this wet bar with a automatic ice maker. A little bit of nostalgia there, but it could be still very useful. Coat closet. And I do like the bedroom situation on this. You have your second bedroom this way on this end with big, basically full-length closets there. And it's a good size room. Hall bath, original, but usable for sure. But new counters, new vanity, and you'd be in shape here. Have something really nice. The master, lots of closet space, mirrored closets. Definitely very livable if you wanted to live here full time with all the closet space. And a great size master bath. Does have this step down bathtub type shower. Double vanity. And then commode. More closet here. Closet here. And because of the bathrooms, you have a good gap between bedrooms here. Linen. And then the master also has really high ceilings. I mean, that's, I don't know if it's 20, but it's really tall up there. And great size. And what I've said about this unit in the past, you can sit in your master bedroom here, and I can see the water. I can see the boats going by. I see a boat on the sand. If I parked my boat right there, I'd be able to sit in the bed and be able to see my boat. Now, of course, in the channel, you can't leave them overnight, but you could leave it there during the day, come in for a break. But really, really a nice unit with a ton of potential for the money. And aisle side, as you know, looking at the drone video I'll show you, there is tennis courts, community pool, huge grassy area in the middle, just a really super community. And again, let's just final walk out here to look and see. Beautiful November day while I shoot this video. Channel there, and I hope you come take a look at this property. It's really, really a neat spot. You can literally walk to restaurants, Barley Brothers, the Mexican like Javelinas, all within walking distance here. And you could walk over the bridge to the village. where else can you do that in Havasu? Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team. Again, Remax by the Lake, Bobby and Julie Lewis. We'd love to show you this condo or any other condo in Lake Havasu City. If you'd like us to do a market analysis for your own property you own in town, just to see how much it's worth, we do it for free all the time as a courtesy, and be a very accurate and nice report you'll get. Just go down in the comments, fill out your address, and we'll send it over. We'll complete it and then send it over to you. Totally confidential, totally free, and would love to help you in that way. Well, hope you have a fantastic day. It's a beautiful day in Havasu, and we'll see you soon in our piece of paradise.